Veterans get into legal trouble just like everyone else, but there are some resources and things to look out for that can help them navigate the system and improve their outcomes. Veterans treatment courts are special courts designed to take into account the unique circumstances of veterans, when the crime involved may have had a direct association with unique traumas that led to self-medication by veterans, usually crimes related to PTSD, traumatic brain injury, and mental health. These exist in about 40 counties in Texas. How these work vary county by county. In some places, you can get diverted to the treatment court after your arrest and arraignment. In other places, you need to plead guilty before accessing the treatment court. To learn more about the treatment courts, check out the map on the TexVet website. Record clearing can also benefit veterans. You can do this in two ways. First, expunction is the removal of information about a charge from your criminal history. This means it won't show up on things like background checks for jobs, though it may still show up on other more sensitive background checks, like for government security clearances. Generally, charges are eligible for expunsion if 1. Your charge was dismissed, 2. You were acquitted, found not guilty at trial, or 3. A grand jury failed to indict you. And there are some other factors that affect eligibility, like whether the dismissed charge happened at the same time another offense you were convicted for, or whether the statute of limitations has run. Second, non-disclosure is the sealing of a charge. This means that the charge technically stays on your record, but information about it will no longer be available to the public. After a successful non-disclosure, for most common purposes, such as employment or housing applications, you can legally deny the incident occurred, and the charge should not appear on a standard background check, but it still may appear when you're dealing with law enforcement or government agencies. Eligibility for non-disclosure depends on several factors, such as the type of charge, results of the case, and other criminal history. Now let's talk about restoring a suspended driver's license. If your license is suspended for outstanding Class C tickets, you may be able to get it restored. First, you need to pay the tickets, or if you can't afford them, ask the court to waive them or give you community service instead. If your license is still suspended, you may qualify to apply for something called an occupational driver's license, a special restricted license that lets you drive a non-commercial vehicle for work, school, or to perform essential household duties. Expunction, non-disclosure, and driver's license laws are complex. For more information and support, head to the Texas Law Help website.